Hello everyone, welcome to a special video. Now in this video we will take a look at something, let's say, very interesting and something quite different from everything else on my channel up to this point. And that will be a helmet from the Dead Space, or more precise Dead Space 2. So what is going on? So basically, I've always loved the Dead Space trilogy, and since the Dead Space 2, where they introduced the retractable helmets, and basically the entire helmet will unfold and go into the body armor, I really loved it, and I wanted to design something similar to that. Obviously, with just mechanical stuff, I cannot really do a completely disappearing helmet just like in the game, but I wanted to do something similar. So basically, we have something like this. We have the full body armor, the advanced suit, and when it comes to the helmet, I want to basically make my own design, which would be inspired by this advanced helmet. So basically, mainly this face shield, yeah, the entire front section, and basically those part here in the top, those parts here in the top. But the rest, I have to kind of change in order to actually make the mechanism working. Yeah, here we can see another angle. This is different type of suit, but geometrically it's the same. Yeah, the advanced suit, and yeah, I guess that's the one too, or not sure about that right now. Yeah. So basically, this is the helmet, and now we will take a look at what I have come up with and how it actually works. So here we are in Creo, and this is my version of the Dead Space 2 helmet. So as you can see, the front piece that's heavily inspired by the advanced suit, including those two things. And the rest is quite different. It is more akin to the Lost in Space from the 90s with Matt LeBlanc having this fully retractable helmet. Yes, I will say that this was my main inspiration. Also, designing this stuff to be printable on MK4 was kind of challenging because, yeah, you have to bear in mind that an entire head has to be fitted inside. So there are some compromises in this regard so that it could be indeed printed on a what I would consider a normal printer, not some big or large printers. So yeah, I know it doesn't look exactly like what we have seen in game, but it actually kinda works. So basically the idea is that it will do retraction like this. So not full retraction, sure, but basically the entire face will be revealed. So if I close it and use a mannequin, yeah, like that, you can see that if I open it, it should look like this. Yeah. And the idea also is that you will simply retract it by moving only this piece in real life. Yeah. Also, I personally don't do any electronics, so I just have these openings for viewing, but I don't have anything lighting up. Yeah, those classical blue uh, uh, eye shields, I guess. I'm not sure how to call it. So I will skip that. Well, the model will be published, so it will be available for everyone. So if anybody is skilled with this stuff, yeah, with electronics and light, feel free to do it. Yeah, I suppose it shouldn't be a problem because there still should be enough space inside for you to experiment with it. Good. So now I think we can take a look at how it actually goes all together. And we basically start with this piece. Yeah, this is the base which will go on your head. Uh, Fun fact: here on all the basically contact areas, I glued a little bit of foam so that it sits on your head way more comfortably. Also here you can see this long hole. The idea is that you will put some strap so that you can basically put it below your chin and basically, just like any helmet, secure it safely on your head. Yeah. I have nothing here because I don't plan to print it. Yeah, it should be some strap. Yeah, and yeah. Okay, so we will attach the base plate, which will simply be fitted together via those four holes on each side. And basically this is our stationary part of the helmet. This will not move. Everything else will, but this will not. Good. And now basically we will start with the individual plates. So first the number 6, which goes here. And then we continue. 5, 4, 3. You can see that all of them have basically one pin sticking out and this rotationally long hole, this groove, and it basically ensures that it slides only those 30 degrees that it's supposed to be, and that's it. Yeah, and basically now the last one. However, here is one difference. Yeah, the pin couldn't stick out because it was then way too big and couldn't fit to the printer. So here we have two pins which are separately printed and then inserted inside. So when the pins are there, then you will put it here, and you can see that you have this hole here, and basically then into this hole you will put these two big pins. Yeah, so that everything holds together. Now here we have holes for standard 10 by 10 pins, and basically you will insert them there, and then this second part, this top part, yeah, so that it fits together. And now basically we will add these pieces, yeah, simply attach them to the axis, to the big pin, and they have this hole here on each side, and there you will insert these two pins, and the idea is that it will enclose it together. Now because it will be, well, a helmet wearable, I just for the safety reason I recommend before you put the pin here, use a little bit glue here and here on this surface so that it really fits together, it holds everything together, and the helmet cannot really fall apart, let's say. Yeah. Now obviously, as you can see here, we have another set of 10 by 10 pins, so you will simply insert them and then insert this part of the helmet. Now this part has this peg sticking out, and here it has this groove. So basically you will take this piece, and it has corresponding pegs to go to the hole, and it has the groove here. So you will slide it in from the top, and then as you can see here you have this circular opening and this lock. So you will put this piece together, you will click it there, so then this part cannot slide out. You will do it from both sides, and then it is fixed. And then last but not least, because right now these two pieces are not connected, but you can see that here we have two holes, so you will simply put a connector piece here, and now they are connected. So when you now move this, the entire thing will collapse like that. Good. Yeah, and that's it. Nothing really complex, nothing really difficult to assemble or do. There are quite a big tolerances, so everything works very nicely. And yeah, so yeah, I suppose when it comes to the assembly, that's it. When it comes to the model showcase, that's it. So now I suppose we can take a look at the actual print. Yeah, so here we have the helmet. Yeah, I will also create a video actually wearing it and unfolding it. Yeah, I think basically as a prototype, as a first thing I did something like that. It is not bad. Uh, yeah, yeah. If I unfold it, yeah, it's like this. Yeah, I don't have any strap here yet, so it doesn't sit properly on me. When I unfold it, it tends to kind of fall down, but that's because I don't have any strap here. I don't even know if I will do it, yeah, because I don't really plan to actually wear it in any con and stuff like that. So we'll see. Yeah, but yeah, as you can see, it works as it was supposed to. Yeah, here, as you can see, I have the foam glued in, so it sits on the head quite well. Yeah, for me, the main problem is that I cannot actually fit my glasses inside, so my sight is very poor, so I don't really see much inside because yeah, I see very little without my glasses anyway. Yeah, so yeah, so this is my Mark 1 Dead Space helmet, and yeah, maybe in the future I will revisit it and make a new version, much more sleeker, I guess. So I hope you liked it, and we will see each other in the next video. Have a nice day and bye bye.